The next topic of the chapter 6, staffing, the importance of staffing. The importance of staffing is filling up the vacant post. No other function can perform to fill the vacant post in the organization. So the staffing process is very important to fill up the vacant post in the organization. Effective staff can help to train number of persons in market, and efficient staff can bring out down in market. The performance of the organization depend upon the performance of its employees. Any organization shows its performance with the good staff. A good staff can reach the organization and help to achieve the organizational goal. But inefficient staff decline the organization and they go through the loss of the organization. So there is a need of the efficient staff with the help of the staffing function. That's why staffing and the importance of the staffing is there. So there are some important points while we are staffing the staffing function. So the first point is filling the role by obtaining competent person in the organization. The staffing function is the need to fill the job position. There will be no use of job position unless and until these are occupied by the employees. Without occupying the staffing process, no position can be filled. If the job positions are not filled, their work can be not done. So there is a need of the filling the staff position on the head job board, and that job position which are vacant in the organization, they are filled, then the organization achieve its result. And it is through staffing function only that the employees are appointed to fill the vacant job position. The next is placing right person at the right job. While there are number of job positions in the organization, to fill up and to select the best and the appropriate candidate for the vacant post in the organization, there is a need of the staffing function. The staffing ensures higher performance by placing right person on the right job by proper recruitment and selection. Employees are given a place according to their qualification in the organization. It's helped with the help of the staffing function. The next is growth of enterprises. While any organization can grow with the help of the good staff, effective staff and the competent staff. So by appointing efficient staff, efficient ensures continuing survival and growth of the enterprise as organization grows with the efforts of its employees only. With the help of the efforts of the employees, organization can be developed and the people work in the organization achieve its goal with the help of the good staffing function, with the help of the good staff. The next is optimum utilization of the human resource. While with the help of the staffing function, we are using the best among the number of applications. So the optimum utilization of resources are taken by the good staff. Through manpower planning and job analysis, we can find out the number of employees and type of employees required in the organization so that there are no chance of over-manning in the organization. Next is help in competing. The organization can easily acquire same type of physical and the financial resources, but what helps organization to win over the other is the efficient staff. The next is improve job satisfaction and morale of the employees. The staffing is not only appointing the people in the vacant job position. Staffing function does not end only with appointment of employees. It includes training, promotion, compensation, and so many things. All other activities help in motivating the employees and boost up the morale of the employees. And the next and the last importance of the planning is key of effectiveness of the other functions. While when the good staff is there, good staff is appointed, it is a key of the other functions which are to be done in the organization. They are done efficiently and effectively. So no other function of management can be carried out without effective staff function, because all the functions are performed by human being, and human being job the organization by staffing function only. So there are staffing function is very important to run the organization in a best and the efficient manner to achieve the organizational goal in a best way. So we need a good staff for the vacant posts which are in the organization. So these are the several points which are showing that a staffing function is very important for the development of the organization. Thank you and have a nice day.